子上有一块手表。这块手表多少钱？一起来看看吧。这块手表是你的吗？
不是我的，是我爸爸的。
多少钱买的
？3000多块。
这块手表多少钱？这块手表3000多块。
Hello, welcome back to my class. Today we are gonna learn 2 language points. Are you ready? First, let's look at the sentence. 这块手表是你的吗？这块手表是你的吗？ Do you know the meaning of this sentence? Great! Is this watch yours? Is this watch yours? In here, the right word, 的, can be used after a pronoun, an adjective, or a verb to form a phrase, which is equivalent to a nominal phrase with its head word omitted. So, 你的 is pronoun plus 的 means yours. This book belongs to you. Then, how do you say sentence in Chinese? You can say, 这本书是我的。这本书是我的。我 is a pronoun as well, and 的 is used after it. This phrase means my book.
它是做什么的？一起来看看吧。
这是今天早上的报纸吗？
不是，是昨天的。
你听，是不是送报纸的来了？
我看一下，不是，是送牛奶的。他是做什么的？他是送牛奶的。
Alright, let's move on to the second language point. Please read. 我看一下。我看一下。It means, let me take a look. In here, the numeral classifier 一下 is used after a verb to indicate a short action. We can look at this table. The grammatical form is subject plus verb plus 一下 plus object. The object can be omitted. Let's look at the first sentence. 我听一下。我听一下 means I will listen to it. So the verb here is 听。The second sentence, 我写一下。我写一下 means I will write it down. So you can see 一下 is added after the verb 写。The last sentence, 我看一下手表。我看一下手表。
This sentence has an object,
whereas the 2
preceding sentences
do not have an object. This is a big difference. When the sentence have an object, then we know he or she is going to check the watch. Without object,
sometimes we can't be sure he or she is looking at what.
Now you understand? See you next time.